Welcome to your guide to the Galaxy Task Chair. Inside your packaging you will find a seat and chassis unit, a backrest, a pair of height adjusting arms, a gas lift stem and cover, a 5-point base, a set of casters, and a back stem shroud. Assembly. Push the casters onto the wheelbase. Place the seat unit on a stable stand. The packaging is ideal. Position the arms with the bolts, and once they are in place, tighten securely. Place the cover over the gas stem and push the gas lift into the wheelbase. Make sure it's secure. Lift the seat unit and place it onto the top of the gas lift. Put the back stem shroud in position over the back of the chassis assembly. Lift the backrest and drop it into the rear of the chassis. It will lock in position on the ratchet system. Functions. Pull-up buttons on the arms will release the height adjustment facility. A lever to the front on the right can be pulled up to engage the gas lift, enabling you to easily adjust the height. Release the lever to lock. A central lever on the right enables you to rock the seat and back to find the optimum position for comfort. This includes a forward tilt function. The third lever releases the backrest for adjustment in any position. A central wheel adjusts the tension on the tilt. Tighten to make it harder to tilt back. Release to make it easier to tilt. And that's it. Enjoy your Galaxy Task Chair.